So apparently, Discord has added a shortcut of Control C being like clip while in stream, Alt C. That is obnoxious of them. All right. Finally got Thinkorswim going. Pull up the old scans. Sorry, adding an extra filter on this for market cap. There we go. Okay. So let me get it. Figuring it out. Give me 1 second and it'll be on TradingView. Export. Okay. Sheets. go. All right. New watch list, import. Boom. All right. So there should be weekly setups on $100 billion market cap. Cancel this. So we'll go volume and we'll just go through. So we got Tesla looking like a 2-1. Oh my, inside month. Something we really want to watch for. I am looking bullish on Tesla. AMD bearish. I'll mark it, but it already went 2-1-2, or it already went 2-2 up on the day, but just for the rest of the week, I'll put that up there. Nvidia, I'm not going to touch until it splits. It's too expensive to swing. Bank of America looks like a great long. So what I'm going to do is put an alert at high a day. Still 9 minutes until the next news, so just sitting. It is going lower though. Oh my. This thing's dumping. Let me load up the features. The big 950 candle. Two one two down. I have a sell stop at 74. All right, not valid anymore. All right, back to swings. Oh, ripskis. Hello? Oh, sorry guys. I literally just saw somebody ping me. It looked like David was like talking the whole time. Sorry guys. Well, I'm gonna have to restart at the swings. Basically Tesla looking long, 212 up on the month. Looking swing longs. AMD looking swing shorts, but not looking at anything today because unless it's an outside bar. It's already 3-2 up. Not going to touch NVIDIA because it's too expensive and I don't want to hold through a stock split. That sounds like a obnoxious thing to do with swings. Bank of America looking long. All right. Yeah, Bank of America looking long. And then here we are. Not interested in Amazon. Google longs, maybe. Um, oh my, Coke's. Oh my, Coke. Let's go. Coke back to break even. Tagged in at 74 or 73.50 is my average. 10 points filled. 20 points filled. And filled break even. Okay. Thank God for brackets. I literally was typing and just getting filled. Looks like it could keep going down if anybody got stuck there. All right, where was I? Google CRM. Nah, CRM's probably going to go up for a gap fill then, but gap fills are risky. You never know when they're going to stop filling. Looking for Intel outside day pops possibly, and I would be interested in getting in for a short. Verizon 3.2. Yeah, back in force here, and I am interested. It is 2-1 or 3-1-2 up on the month. All right. Don't care. What did I say? Don't care about those. Amazon, don't care. Okay, Cisco 222 up, looking short. I like the monthly close there. Almost ended a shooter, but the strat signal is looking for a long as a failed 2 down, so not interested. 1 minute left till news. All right. Huge push up right now on NQ. Don't be trading this. The ladder is super thin right now. Wow. How did I miss oil? Man, crude. Yeah, this one you'd have to have like a $3 stop loss. I would kind of love a short. Swept liquidity here at 730s. I'd rather have swept this at almost 800s, but I'm filled in short 75. There's 10 points. All right, stop rest. This is just quick. All right, back to swings for a bit. QCOM 212 up. I like that. Alrighty, not interested. TSM, not interested. That MU 212 up on the month. I have my other screen showing futures, so I'm kind of looking at both. Yeah, so MU looking for a cross above the open, and then I'm interested in longs. Microsoft, not interested. Baba, not really interested. Went 212 down. I think this is a swing short. Just getting some notes out here. Baba, so I have a note on Baba's monthly low of last month's low. For a 2-2 rev down. And then I am interested shorting this if it, it looks like an outside bar today. So it looks nice for a short. I'll throw this on the short list. What do I have already? Tesla, AMD, Bank of America. Okay. Yeah, so I'm interested in Baba shorts. Uh, if I trade it today, I'd like to get in above before it goes outside, just in case it goes outside and then wicks back into the yesterday's range or Friday's range. Ultimately, looking for the weekly to trigger. I know it's just a 2-2, but just continue in the 3-1-2 down direction. And then ultimately looking for the monthly to trigger. Monthly last month ended a doji short. So, and with that said, NQ ended a failed 2 up. So looking for a short under 59. Sell stops are at 59. Okay. PDD short looks really nice short. Yeah, this might be an instant buy actually. Buying puts. Meta looks great for a long. Pretty much same trigger as for Friday actually. Or wait, this was last week. But same trigger. Looking for 480.87 above, and that'll pretty much trigger the monthly as well. Canceling that sell stop. Verizon triggered. Looking at oil still going. Could play a retracement, but unlikely. We haven't been this low since February. Looking for the 3-2 down on NQ would be under 53. Under 52.25. That would trigger the 3-2 on the hourly. Okay, back to swings. Verizon triggered. I saw that. Uber, absolutely not interested in that. Could be interested in CMSCA or CMCSA. Comcast Corporation. Walmart logs. I'd be interested in Walmart longs, even though it would feel a little bit chasey. Okay, City, not interested. MRK. MRK is already 2-1-2 up. Looks great, actually. Okay, Coke. Already in Coke. JP Morgan, 2-1. It's a 2-1, really. BP shorts. Already triggered once. And Q just triggered for a short. I am short in Q. 50. Oh my, 54.50. All right, back to swings for a little bit. Stops are set there. I'm probably going to let it go all the way. Just because of this fair value gap right here is holding it down for now. Still in that fair value gap. I was interested in BP. Let me add that. Avgo was along with the healthcare. I believe. Maybe I'm thinking incorrectly. Maybe I'm thinking of ABBV. Not interested either way. Adobe, not interested. UPS, longs, iffy. Not interested. Exxon Mobil, looking longs, but probably going to be a little while. Okay, almost done here. And Q's just bouncing off its fair value gap. Like I said, I'm leaving that either way. Disney, not interested. Stopped out NQ. ASML, not interested. Last one. Oracle longs, very interested. Oracle. Yeah, Oracle looks like a probably will add it over high of day today. This looks great. Monthly 2112 up. MU just triggered. Man, active morning this morning. Verizon triggered long. Let me look at the options chain. Getting caught up on YouTube. Vignash, how do you figure out entries with the strat? How do you enter on close or when it hits? When it hits. Always when it hits. And then if it closes and then you have another signal against you, then it's decision time. Pick that up. Max and Josh. Okay. BK, I think I was just short NQ. Rex to Riches. Oh, hey, I think that's Moneybags. Doing well, doing well. Deontay, morning. Brad, morning. Thanks for the like. Appreciate it. Oh, 7 likes already. Appreciate it, guys. All right. Yeah, Verizon looking long. NQ also looking long. Verizon, 42 calls. Definitely not out of the question. That's what I'm going to grab. 42 calls. I'm going to put a limit at 0.67. And Q up to 700s here. Got the 3-2 up on the 5. Got to be a little bit careful of the 15. I got wicked out on that hourly trigger, but the hourly is 3-2 down right now. It is currently a failed 2 down, but barely. Under 680, it'll be back in force. Okay, back to swings here. MU triggered. Oh, this is all wonky now. Let's restart that. CL shorts, maybe. I have a sell stop 74.99. Vignesh says, "What if it hits the bet then closes below?" Well, I think we go over that in the video I've made. I'm in our CL, but if it hits and then let's say that I took this 3-2 up right here, and then it goes 3-2 up and then closes failed 2. My stop instead of down here at the bottom of the outside bar would now be the bottom of the 2 bar, because then I would have had a whole strat signal that goes against me. Minute and a half left. So, for example, Vignesh, my stops right now is up here at 75.39. I'm pretty sure after this 5-minute closes, I'm going to bring my stops up to 75.29. Oracle just triggered. I will be getting into something in Oracle because that thing was beautiful. I got filled on Verizon. Looking short on gold, maybe. No, I need to wait. It looks great on the 1 minute, which is what I have on my other screen here. But the 5 minutes not going to trigger a strat signal for another 5 minutes, so gotta wait. Twenty ticks hit on CL. Oracle, I was looking longs, right? Monthly target would be 127.98. I think that's probably ambitious. 121, 124, probably the 124s. No, those are too cheap. Man, what is? These are cheap. I'm gonna go the 120s. 0.75 limit. Oh, and those were instantly filled because Oracle went down a little bit. See what my fill was. 0.73. Wait, did I already alert this? Was Verizon also? I'm a goober. I'll fix it. All right, fix that. Oh. Time out on Oracle. I bought the weeklies. No wonder they were so cheap. All right, closing those. That's more like it. All right, 3.05 on the correct oracles. All right, filled on Oracle. All right, got a 3-2 up on NQ on the 5. Almost filled on CL at 1R. Brad said there's problems with New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, I've heard that. Thanks for the update, though. Max, is that you in the YouTube chat? Oh, I was talking to you. It was someone last name McDermott, and yours is McClure. My bad. I was like, why are you in my YouTube chat and the other chat? Funny. Danny, anyone else getting mega laggy fills on NT? I haven't even tried. I've been on Trade of 8 and Top Step X this morning. I might not. I'm slowly transitioning over from Rhythmic. Those issues. By the way, filled at 1R. But yeah, those issues are. I can't have those. That literally costs money. Steven said didn't know what you shared where, didn't want to cross wires. I didn't even see your message. Sorry. I just had an 8-point lag on one of mine. Yeah, that costs money, Danny. That's what I'm saying. No buena. And again, don't. Don't bark. You don't need to. Promise you don't need to bark. One and a half hour filled. You guys ready for this trade? 50-point micro trade on NQ. 77.25. Obviously, it's wide. And obviously, I will not be trimming until it hits the same half hour or 1 hour. But this thing is going short. But I don't want to snipe right now. 2-1-2 down on the 15. 77.25. This is for sure the widest stop I've done. But $4.50. All right, grab the Qs, 0.64 on the 452s. I think I'm going to double dip if SPY gives a trigger. Q's looking long. .75 on Q's. Taking a little bit off at 20 points on NQ. My trading view is frozen. Can you guys still hear me? My ticks are moving still. Oh, they're slowly moving. Oh, 25 points got hit. That wouldn't make sense why my position size is smaller. There we go. Gold breaking out. All right, all out cues. I want to get in SPY shorts, but might not get so fortunate. Stops break even on NQ and CL. I'm taking that survey there, Slade. Holy smokes. Am I taking an exam? This thing's 30 questions long. Here. Just for fun, let's do this. Let's just take a group vote. Oops. Okay. I understand there's no way for Apex to loosen up rules and make payouts quicker without opening up more possibility of scams and schemes and windfall traders. Exclamation point. There must be safeguards in place, and this will cause whining and complaining as well. No exclamation point. Yes, I understand and agree to help combat that. No, Apex should not worry, but everyone should everyone to whatever they want whenever they want. No, Apex should not worry and should everyone to whatever they want whenever they want. Maximilian, how long did it take to become profitable when trading? Profitable, probably about a year and a half. Thoughts on Qs? Well, I'm in NQ short. Probably could have held on to my QQQ put, but okay. Well, obviously everybody wants quicker payouts. Should Apex lower the contract size allowed on each plan to cut down on windfall traders and those looking for get-rich-quick schemes? Sounds like a decision for them. If a payout approval and review schedule is clearly posted and stated not to send tickets or inquiries until after a certain date, should that be honored and followed? Or should traders be allowed to blow up customer support and social media with questions and inquiries and tying up staff from processing your requests? Those that do this and clog the system for everyone, should they automatically move to the last day of the period for review? Gee whiz. Outcome of approved or denied? Should there be a penalty for clogging the system and not following procedure? And the penalty be they won't find out the outcome of the request until the last day. Wow. Brutal. And keys following, by the way. Yes, I agree that those that clog up the system should be penalized and not approved or denied until the final day of cycle. It is not fair for that some people are approved earlier than others, so everyone should always wait till the last with 3 L's till the last date, and everyone should be updated at the same time no matter what. We should all wait until all requests have a status, then all get updated at once. No early payouts. Who's voting for that? There should be no penalty for inquiring before the date and distracting staff from progress on payout requests. Staff should stop and answer each one all throughout the day, delaying the process for everyone. I'm going to vote for that one. I don't know. I've never sent a ticket about a payout. Oh, here, let me update this. This is just comedic. Some passive aggressive wording, a lot of typos. Someone give this man some Microsoft Word. I think I got stopped out of CL. I don't have CL on, but oh, that's weird. Top Step X is showing that it's on there. Filled at 50 points on NQ. Make sure you mask your IP address with a VPN. I guess I'll just do it from my phone. Man, those Qs are at 1.18 now. I certainly would not be shorting this. Or sorry, be longing this. Definitely am shorting this. Actively. Do you use a trade copier between Top Step and Trade I do not, because I use Top Step X and then Trade and they don't copy each other. All right, filled on 75 points. Back to Dwayne. Oracle turned down a little bit. Looking at Baba still. Baba. Back below 600s. On Baba, I'm probably looking at the 75 puts. They're a little more expensive, but if that monthly does trigger, then they're going to get deep in the money. Yeah. I'm loving the 2 minute chart as my low time frame. All right, I'll do that tomorrow, Danny. Remind me. I will do that tomorrow. Let me look at the two. You find that I guess it's definitely a little bit different than the 5 minute. Yeah. You still use the 5 minute though, I assume, right, Danny? Yeah, 2 5 15. Yeah. The reason I haven't used the 3 is because it's, not too different. I mean, it is a little bit different, but it's not like terribly different than the 5. There's 100 points on the micros. Some of these questions that they're asking are just like no brainers. Like, would you like to see payout requests be processed daily instead of like a period? Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully they implement some of these. Nope, not yet. No, I've only had, I think, 3 trims. Garrett, survey questions are making my head hurt. I hear you. Yeah, I'm only down to a couple now. I think if I add, I mean, it's hard to add on this, right? Because it's literally just dropping. So I'm more apt to just let it go to 4R and 5R, but I don't have enough for a 10R trade here. CL looks like a good short again. Okay, I'm looking at Baba. 75 puts are 2.4. It's not bad. I don't want to go under $1. All right, I put in a limit in at 2.4. See if it gets filled. What if you get the same move as Friday? I don't even remember Friday. Oh, yeah. Sounds like you need to come back for power hour and then just go up. That was the 75 put. Yeah. I haven't gotten filled yet, but I should soon. Bids at 234 and ask is at 247. I don't know how I'm not getting filled. Caloric surplus, morning boss. We've only trimmed on snow, correct? Still holding position. I am. Yeah, it's at 1.72. It's not in drawdown or anything. Man, I was eyeing SPY 425 puts at 0.29. Those are at 0.82 now. I mean, I might just grab some. I'm taking some. All right, 0.51. Max said, makes sense. I will stick with take profit and top step until I see. Yeah, I think that's smart. Only reason I like take profit is my daily withdrawals. Yeah, I've never worked with them to be honest, but I think Nick does. But yeah, top step, my funded futures and Apex, and sounds like take profit are all pretty good. I feel like I'm forgetting one. Elite, but I haven't worked with them in a long. I haven't seen what they're doing in a little bit. Why are my contracts getting? Oh, there. That would make sense. They're at 0.58 now. 0.59. My trading view is frozen. All right, which one's correct? My top step or trade it? Oh, now they're the same. What is going on? Okay, I got it close. Oh, then it just updates. That's crazy. me try to reopen. Trying to reload my computer being a little weird right now. Gold is dropping like it's hot right now. Still trying to load up TradingView. Okay, what's going on? What is eating up all of my CPU? All right, loading back up. All right, closing SPY. Sounds like this is my sign to. I mean, my Top Step X is working fine. TradingView is just being wonky right now. There it goes. Yeah, while this was dropping, my TradingView wasn't moving. All right, updated now. Looking for a short on CL. Right, I'm just going to stick here. All right, have I gotten filled on any of my swings? Still no fill on Baba. Are we serious? All right, moving up. I'm gonna bring stops up to 6, 12, 50. All right, sell stop at 74.25. Should be about a 75 tick stop. All right, I'm going to throw that position on and call it here. Stop set at 612.50 on micros. And if I get tagged into crude, I will alert it. Stops are at 74.25, 3 ticks away. Okie dokie. Well, that is it. Good Monday. I love when we can get some red folder news to just shove us around. Red folder news is just the catalyst that defines a good or a bad day. But that's going to be it. Great day today. Ending green on all accounts. And going to keep it that way. Alrighty. Love you guys. I will update if I get into CL. And if I get stopped out on micros on NQ. Alrighty. Love y'all. Trade safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.